Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you on how to fix Twitch stream region issues quickly and effectively. This problem happens when Twitch restricts certain streams based on your location. Start by refreshing your browser or Twitch app, as sometimes a quick reload can solve minor glitches. If it persists, try clearing your browser's cache and cookies, which can remove corrupted data affecting streaming. Next, disable any browser extensions, especially VPN blockers or ad blockers, since they can interfere with Twitch's location services. Using a different browser or incognito mode can help check if the issue is browser-related. If the stream is still blocked, consider using a reliable VPN to access content available in other regions. Also, ensure your Twitch app is updated or reinstall it to fix any internal region handling glitches. Following these steps carefully should allow you to bypass region restrictions and enjoy Twitch streams smoothly without interruptions. Subscribe the channel for more videos.